Hi, I'm Dick Rubenstein, and I'm going to take you on a hands-on tour of the Internet. You've probably heard a lot about the Internet, but what is it really? It's tens of millions of people interacting with millions of computers, but actually the Internet is more of a social phenomenon than it is a technical one. These millions of people are sharing information, but there's no organization that owns the Internet. It's not run by the government. It's not run by any company. It's run by thousands and thousands of people who get involved, who donate their time, who participate, who donate their equipment in order to provide this national, really international facility. Actually, the Internet is composed of several different networks. For example, as you can see in the diagram, there's the BitNet and UUCP. No one's really sure exactly who pays for the network because it's paid for in a distributed way. The individual organizations, whether they're universities or companies or private computers, they all pay for the operation of their computers, and they pay for the cost of a phone line to connect their computer to the network. Now, you don't have to have a big computer in order to participate in the Internet. All you need is a small computer, a PC, a Macintosh, and a modem. Now, what's this thing called a modem? We should talk about that. It used to be that a modem was a big clunky thing like this that allows the computer to convert data into tones that will go over the phone line, and then to convert tones that come in over the phone line back to data. This modem is about 15 years old. It cost $300 15 years ago, which was a lot of money back then. If you think about it, that's $1 per baud. I should add that a baud rate is the rate at which information travels to and from the computer over the phone line when you're using the modem. A baud is 1 bit per second. It's named after a man named Baudot. Today, you can get very inexpensively a modem like this. This is a 14,400 baud modem, almost 50 times faster, and it costs less than $200 in today's dollars. This is all you need to participate, and in fact something much more modest, a 2400 baud modem, for example, which is a good deal slower than this, is completely adequate for being involved in the Internet. The other thing you need is a computer of some sort. It doesn't really matter what it is. Any modern computer will work fine. Here's a portable laptop. This will work fine. PC, Macintosh. And it doesn't have to be a big one. It doesn't have to be a fancy one. It doesn't have to have a lot of memory. All you need to get into the game is some PC and a modem and an interest in poking around and discovering some interesting things in the Internet. So if you have your computer and your modem, what else do you need? You need some communication software. That usually comes packaged with the modem, or you can buy a simple package from any software store. You also need a connection. You need to find a host that offers Unix services and a connection to the Internet. Once you've done that, all you have to do is get your computer set up, and you're probably impatient about getting going. So come with me. I'm going to show you how you can get connected on the Internet. Welcome to the Internet for Everybody. I'm going to give you a quick tour here so you can see how things work in the interface. You can click on one of these buttons on the left side, for example, Intro, and that'll take you to a menu. Each of the menu items will take you somewhere in the program. For example, what is the Internet? This brings up a little video. You can control the video by starting and stopping it with this button or dragging a little slider around, get to different places in the video if you'd like to. Okay, now we can go back where we were with return. And we can take a look at some of the other things here. The glossary is a good thing to check out. There are quite a few terms here, over 100. You can move from page to page and then just pick a term, like here's JPEG. I click on that and I get a definition of the term. Let's go back where we were. Okay, and from this frame you can also find out about the sweepstakes. Let's take a look at the tours. Now there are quite a few different tours. Each of these is a program that specializes in one topic. The Grand Tour covers all the material on the disk. Let's take a look at the email tour, for example. Okay, so now we're in that tour. And one of the things that you can do is you can adjust the volume of the movie right here. So we can turn the volume down a bit if we like and let it continue.
Okay, I'm going to show you how Mark can use email.
Okay, now you notice that this particular clip didn't start at the beginning. That's because different tours take different portions out of the program. So it'll move from clip to clip. If you'd like to see the next clip in this particular tour, you can click the button down here.
The service that we're going to use is called World.
Okay, now you see this is screenshot. There are a lot of screenshots in here so you can see exactly what's going on. You can move to the next clip by pressing the next clip button, so you can work your way through a tour. If you don't want to watch everything, you can move around again with the controller as you choose. Or you can go back to the previous clip by pressing this button. So here we are back at the previous clip. Now if you'd like to remember where you've been or go back to a place that you've found, you can use the bookmark. Now bookmarks are very simple. If you click on the update button, then it'll remember a particular place. You can remember up to 3 different locations. Then if you want to go to one of the bookmarks, you just click the corresponding go to button. Okay, so now we're in that tour. Now the map is also a really neat feature. This shows you all of the milestones in the program, and you can pick a particular tour. For example, let's look at the email tour. The map shows you what each of the segments are and the order in which they occur. If you'd like to jump to just one of those spots, you can click on it. Let's look at mail lists. Okay, you can watch this on your own. Let's go back to the map. Now, the index is another useful feature in the program. And again, you can go through this a page at a time. or you can pick a letter. If we're looking for a word, say, between the letters O and S, just click this button. For example, we could look at pine.
For command. The command I'm going to type is pine, P-I-N-E.
Okay, here, let's stop this movie. Now you notice that a special button has come up here, and these will come up sometimes in the program. By clicking that button, you can see some additional information about the topic that's being discussed. In this case, we get a cheat sheet, a little crib sheet for the Pine mail system. Here's the second page of it. Now, in any particular location, you can also hit the Help button. And the computer will offer you a few words of advice about where you are and what you can do, and also an opportunity to look at this movie again. When you're done with the program, just click Exit. And you get a chance to decide whether or not you really do want to leave. Well, I hope you enjoy the Internet for everybody. Have a good time. Be well.
You're out!